When creating your content, one thing I'll always suggest is to never delete a video. I'll say that again, never delete a video. Even if you don't like it, don't delete it. TikTok black flags this as a negative and you will get shadow banned for it. After coming out of the other side of a ban, it can be really hard to get back on track with your growth because you'll basically be starting from zero again. You won't have any followers taken off or anything, but TikTok isn't going to start pushing your content as it once was again. You're not going to suddenly get pushed out to 20,000 people again. So stay clear of deleting videos, and if you don't like one in particular, then don't worry. The amount of content you should be making is going to push it down very quickly and it's going to bury that video mostly. Or you could even take the opportunity to duet yourself and show a better version of the video, or an updated version of the video. Maybe you've created a piece around Instagram growth strategies for 2019 and you're like, okay, well I need to update this for 2020 now, there's new things. So you could create a new video, you could duet the old one. There are a lot of ways around it other than deleting the video itself.